So why is this important? Well, at first glance, when you're considering all the marketing options out there, which includes search engines, organic, maps, pay-per-click, social media, which is, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, paid online directories, etc. You have to maximize your lead flow and maximize your budgets because you don't have unlimited budgets in order to develop a plan. So it's important because there is a lot of competition. There's more and more businesses figuring this out. Even though it's 2019, it amazes me how few businesses are not using these tactics, and which means there's still opportunity, but they're figuring it out because there's more and more competition, and so they're saying, what's the other guy doing? And the other guy is doing online marketing, and then they're putting the pieces together. It's important because you need to know your message market media. So being able to communicate to the right people in the right places at the right time. If you're just trying to communicate to everybody, your message will get washed out. And then, of course, buyer intelligence. Because buyers are getting to be more and more educated through the use of social and smartphones, 86% now are doing their online research online before ever phoning you or visiting your location. So if you are not online, you're pretty much missing out on 86% of your potential prospects. So what are your options? Well, when it comes to online marketing for your business, there's a number of tactics that you can explore. And I'll use tactics to be very specific compared to strategies, which will be a bit more holistic. But we're going to talk about the various online marketing tactics that are available. So organic efforts include search engine optimization and social media. Paid efforts include paying per click or per impression to get in front of your ideal client. And multifaceted, which will be a more holistic approach where you kind of interchange them all.